to seriously get this hair together, and I'm going to start off with washing my hair. Welcome back to my channel, and I will be using Cream of Nature products, the shampoo and the conditioner. Bomb. I love these products, and I will list everything below for you guys as well.
One eternity later.
All right, so I am back. My hair is washed, and I dried it with a t-shirt. And then now I'm just going to oil my scalp, moisturize, and get this process started. So I'm going to use Mielle for the oil today. And of course, like I said, I will list everything below. And I usually start off with sectioning my hair at least in half or into fours, and then just oil my scalp. So I had braids in for about a couple of months. So I'm just trying to really get my hair back to normal, back to life. So I really take time moisturizing my hair. My edges really fell out and I had like a lot of breakage with the braids. So I'm using the Dr. Miracles on my edges. Hopefully this will help. And I think this is like traction alopecia. I'm not sure, but hopefully, you know, my hair will grow back and not be so thin. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people have experienced this with braids as well. So, you know, just trying to be transparent and figure out what to do. So if you have any tips, just let me know. And it's like trial and error. I'm taking it one day at a time. All right, so back to what I was doing. So I'm going to use Mielle leave-in conditioner. And then I pretty much put it all over my hair in sections. And then just finger comb everything. And then end up brushing my hair after. No matter what style I do, this process is always the longest, whether my hair is wet or dry, because I always like really try to take time to like really oil my scalp, moisturize my hair, and detangle. One half down, one more side to go, and you pretty much just do the same thing on the other side. You want to just complete the whole process all over your head. All right, so after I brushed my hair, I just put some edge control all over just to like, you know, smooth my edges out. And I use Style Factor for an edge control because I really like it. All right, so next I use ORS Curls. It's supposed to be a curl defining cream, and it's supposed to like have less shrinkage. And I quickly remembered like halfway through why I stopped using this product, because I used it before in the past a couple times, but I couldn't remember. And I saw it and I was like, oh, let me just use this. I haven't used it in a while. But yeah, let me know below in the comments if you guys have used the product and how you like it and when you use it. Because it might be good on dry hair, but not wet hair. So it definitely made my process a little bit longer. And you guys will see what I ended up using later. All right, so up next, all you need is a scrunchie. And I use the really wide ones because I just feel like it's just easier when doing a puff, whether it's wet or dry hair to start. At this moment, I was thinking like, wow, why did I use this product? And as you can see, I was struggling. And usually it takes me like literally like less than a minute, but I was struggling. I don't even know why, but I finally got it together. All right, so I was really stretching my hair and just pulling at it in the puff so that way it will stretch it out a little bit, because I have really tight curls, tight coils, because my hair is 4A, 4C. And then now all I'm going to do is my edges to move along with the process. And at this point, you would think that I would be done. You can just put a scarf on and just, let your hair dry a little bit and then move on. But no, I didn't really like how my puff was looking. But normally I do just do my edges, tie a scarf, and then that's pretty much it. But I'm just going to tie a scarf for a little bit and then see how it looks. But I know I'm definitely going to redo this puff and add a different product. Stay tuned. All right, I am back. Let's see how this hair is doing. Do y'all see the difference? Do y'all see how shriveled my puff is? So yeah, I'm definitely going to do it over. And I'm going to go with my first instinct of what I should have used after washing my hair and like moisturizing my scalp and everything. But on the brighter side, my hair is a little dry and it is a little stretched out. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the Mael Coil Custard. This product I definitely love. Let me know if you use this on your hair at all with any style. One thing I can say about the product, it does have like a sticky feeling to it. But other than that, I love it. It really gets my curls and my coils to really stand out, because the other product, it really didn't like define my curls. And that was the whole goal of doing a puff. So basically the same process. I'm just going to brush through my hair with the product on it to define my coils a little bit more. All right, let's try this again. And I don't know what it was, but this time was just so much easier. In the normal way, I usually just get the scrunchie around my hair to do the puff. But same process, just stretch my hair out before I really wrap it around again. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I can really see my curls and my coils. They're really defined now. And then also what I like about the Mayo coil custer, it does give a shine to your hair as well. And it doesn't have like a white cast. Using the right product is very important. So I'm still seeing what works good with my hair. And I'm using my hands to fluff out my puff because I can't find my fro pick. But that is all, folks. My hair is in a puff and I love it. Thanks for watching.